Hi, this is Chris Schwarz with Crucible Tool and Lost Art Press. Going to show you a little bit quickly about our new sliding bevel. This is our second working prototype. The overall kind of look of the bevel was designed by Josh Cook, and the crazy mechanism it was designed by Craig Jackson. We call it Craig Jackson Action, or Action Jackson. So there are two screws. This front screw up here controls basically the blade tilt and can lock the whole thing down at any time. And then this screw back here controls the sliding mechanism. So you can lock the blade's angle and move the slide, or you can unlock the slide and move the angle if you want. Or you can just treat it like a regular bevel. So I'm going to give you a little tour and see what that looks like. So you can obviously stow the blade inside the body. I keep the tool kind of like this, which the blade takes some effort to move and slide, but both of these screws are somewhat slack. And then I will move the blade to whatever position I want, and I can lock the blade tilt mechanism, and I can just leave it at that. It'll keep that position no matter what, but it will also slide. If I perhaps lock it like this, I can always push it so that it can sit flat. Or I can just leave it like this. It really doesn't matter. It's going to stay locked. And the nice thing about that lock is that it is, with a screwdriver, just as strong as it can be. I can't move the mechanism with just my hands. I haven't been able to. I can throw it across the room and it will move if it hits the wall right. But and if I want, I can also here lock the slide, and now it is locked in slide. And if I want, I can unlock here, and the sliding mechanism is locked. It won't move this way. It won't move that way, but now I can move this. I know it seems kind of like complicated at first, but after you use it for like 2 seconds, you'll find that it's really quite simple. And so if you just leave it like this, so where it moves, put it where you want it, lock it, it won't move. Has a nice presence on the bench, nice heavy blade, simple steel construction. I think it's just a really nice tool, and we are making them right now.